What's up, guys? My name is Asa. Today I'll be showing you how to do addition with decimal. So let's get straight into it. So for addition, it's pretty standard. Don't mind these red dots. This is like the 5th time I've done this. So for the addition, let's say a pretty normal one. Let's say the first one. So this is 2.2, a decimal, and 6. So this is pretty standard. This is like normal plussing with decimals. I'll explain decimal later. So this is 6 and 2 add a decimal with a 0. So there's no whole number, or I don't know what it's called, but there's no number here because there's no number in front of the dots, unless this, for example, this becomes a 9 and it becomes 11, and then we just 11, 1. So let's pick a bit more difficult one. Yeah. So dot up here, dot down here. Okay, so these dots divide the two nations. So this question is question number 5 on page 1, 4 and 25. So as you can see, the numbers here, the dot divides the number. So this becomes 0, 0. There's nothing there, and this becomes 0 right here. So literally, what is 0 plus 5? Nothing. So it's just normally 5 and there, and this still becomes 4. And do not forget, this is very important. Without this is completely wrong. 1 dot down here. Okay, let's move on to a slightly harder question. So this right here, it says dot and dot 875 with 625. Don't mind the handwriting or the mouse writing. I had to switch to a new mouse. This mouse is worse. So here it's pretty standard, just a normal plus. So this becomes 10 plus up there, and this becomes 9, and plus the 1, it becomes 10 from here, and then this becomes 1 as well. So this becomes 9, this becomes 15. But wait, one number here. Do we move the dot here and put this, or where's the eraser? yeah. Or we put a dot here and add down there. Boom. It turns out it was the second answer. I was correct, of course. Of course I was. And the reason behind this is because the dot is right here. It splits, and there's no way we can scribble a number 1 here. So we have to just move it there, so it becomes a whole number. You get what I mean? Like, I have no examples, to be honest. Pick another one. This one is pretty interesting. I got this wrong, actually. So this is 1.37. The 12 does not have a dot, but we're just gonna put a dot here to substitute, because if it doesn't have a dot, it's an entire number on itself. And this one, the next one is 0, 6 and 3 whole. Okay, this is a pretty difficult one. So it's pretty standard. These things are pretty standard. These things comes first, unless you're a psychopath or a sociopath and you do this first. So for this one, 7 plus 6 equals 13. That's 1, and this equals 4. So nothing really changed so far. And this becomes 15. Actually, yeah, it becomes 15. So yeah, nothing really changed. I was wrong. I thought it was gonna be difficult, but turns out it wasn't. What's the okay? Here's a natural difficult one. This was the last one on the page. So in here, it says 8, 9, 4, 6. Okay, so these numbers, the standard procedure, we plus this equals 10, plus this equals what do you call it? 17. 10 plus 17. Well, this is my way of doing it. It's kind of long, but if you have a better way of doing it, let me know. 27 But wait, why did I put a dot here? I fooled you, didn't I? No, just joking, just joking. So basically, the dot here, it basically only has all of the dots here are one digit. So what we're gonna do here is move the 2 over the dot. Yeah, this is how we had the answer. Do you feel me? Move the 2 over the dot because there's no way, because this is a line separating. What? There's a line separating. Oh, there we go. Line separating that. So this has to move to here. Yeah, that's it's gonna do it for